Hi guys, and welcome to another video. This time I'm gonna be taking a look at this Wiko phone, which is completely destroyed. As you can see, the amount of bent in this frame. The screen is completely shattered, and this to me looks like wood instead of the volume buttons, and here it's completely destroyed. So I'm gonna be taking this phone apart and keep what I think is good from it. So I'm gonna start by putting some scotch tape over this shattered glass because I don't want little shards all over the place, and then I'm gonna put the disassembly on fast forward. Alright guys, so I have left this last screw here, which still has the factory sticker, so nobody has opened this phone before. So I'm gonna remove it now, and I'm gonna be the first one to open this phone since it was bought. And I have put all of the screws here, as you can see. Alright, so I managed to get this open, and it's quite bent, so I'm not gonna be able to reuse this. And the battery I'm gonna also recycle it because it's bent or damaged. And out of my curiosity, let's plug the charger on and see if anything happens. So I heard some noises, and I think it's the battery, and I don't like the sound, so I'm gonna unplug it, and I'm gonna dispose this battery as soon as I can. So let's continue the disassembly process. I think I'm gonna start by removing the motherboard and the back camera, front camera sensors, then the battery, and then we'll see. So let's put it on fast forward. So, as you can see, I didn't notice the first time that the battery had a pull tab here, and now I'm gonna try to pull it out. Alright, so I did manage to get the buttons out, and volume up and volume down still click, but the power button is damaged, and that's because someone, I don't know why, decided to put a piece of wood, man, a piece of wood instead of power buttons and volume buttons. Can't believe some people. How How do you even think about putting wood instead of buttons? I mean, how does that make any sense? But you got to admit the creativity is at maximum here. So now all I have to do is to remove the display, and that will be it for this phone. Alright, so the disassembly is complete and I'm gonna show you guys what I have. So the Wiko Pulp display, which I'm gonna recycle. I have the buttons here where the power button is broken. I have the plastic frame which still has some antennas and the camera lens here, which I'm gonna keep. Here I put all the components that I have found, like the motherboard, charging dock, cables, screws, everything. The back cover, which is good. And lastly the frame, which is bent. And I'm gonna recycle again. So hope you guys enjoyed it and see you next time.